Are you looking for a new dishwasher in 2024? Look no further. In this video, we'll review the top 5 dishwashers for 2024, covering everything from budget-friendly options to high-end models. Whether you're a busy parent looking to save time or a cooking enthusiast who wants sparkling clean dishes every time, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find your perfect dishwasher. Number 1. Miele Smart Dishwasher with AutoDos. Miele's dishwasher maintains the brand's premium reputation for high-quality, beautifully designed appliances. In our tests, it excelled at cleaning even the toughest messes with easy-to-use controls and adjustable racks. The AutoDos detergent system, compatible with Miele's Power Disc, dispenses the right amount of detergent based on your load's soil level and water hardness. The quick, intense wash cycle cleaned heavily soiled dishes in just 58 minutes. While Miele's dishwashers are pricier, they offer valuable features that save work and energy. Choosing a different door design or a mid-tier model can reduce costs without sacrificing cleaning performance. Overall, Miele's dishwasher is a top choice for those seeking a high-quality, efficient appliance. Its innovative features, such as the AutoDos system and quick, intense wash cycle, make it a standout performer in cleaning performance. Number 2. GE UltraFresh Dishwasher with Microban. GE's UltraFresh Dishwasher is designed to tackle tough messes and eliminate odors. It features Microban-treated handles, controls, filter, and flatware basket, reducing germ buildup in high-touch areas. The dishwasher's fresh air and water cycles circulate inside the tub between cycles, preventing stagnant water and food odors. These features, combined with its performance and sub-$1,000 price point, make it a top-value choice. In testing, this GE model excelled in cleaning, operated quietly, and was easy to use. Its front display is discreet yet informative. The top rack's water jets and those beneath the flatware basket ensure thorough cleaning of hard-to-wash items like water bottles and utensils. A standout feature of GE dishwashers is the extra space between tines, making it easy to load curved or deep plates. However, the dishwasher's capacity is standard, and it lacks fold-down cup shelves in the top rack. Overall, the GE UltraFresh Dishwasher offers excellent value with its cleaning performance, odor-fighting capabilities, and thoughtful design features. Number 3. Bosch Benchmark Series 24 Dishwasher with PrecisionControl. The new Bosch dishwasher with PrecisionControl redefines dish loading, allowing you to customize wash intensity in each quadrant of the lower rack. Its powerful lower spray arm ensures effective cleaning, letting you place items where they fit best. This innovation allows for safe and efficient cleaning, challenging traditional loading norms. The dishwasher excels in cleaning, drying, and capacity, fitting extra items without using the upper-tier tray. It features a hidden chamber that dries moist air for better drying, even on plastics. This model earned the Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning and Organizing Award, a testament to its exceptional performance. Additionally, it operates quietly, a hallmark of Bosch dishwashers. The dishwasher is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, offering convenience and integration with smart home systems. Further enhancing its flexibility, additional cycles can be downloaded through the app. The only missing feature is a child lock on the controls, a minor consideration compared to its impressive array of features. The Bosch dishwasher offers a revolutionary approach to dishwashing, combining customizable wash settings, powerful cleaning performance, and smart features. Its recognition with the Good Housekeeping Award underscores its excellence in cleaning and organizing, making it a top choice for those seeking a high-performance dishwasher. Number 4. JennAir Top Control Built-in Dishwasher. JennAir's dishwasher combines high-end design with powerful performance. Its sleek front features top controls and an easy-to-grab handle with a textured grip center. Inside, unique racks and extras accommodate oversized utensils and prep bowls. In testing, this dishwasher excelled in cleaning, operating quietly at 38 doing business as. The intuitive interface and precision dry option ensure clean, dry dishes every time. While the top rack is less flexible, it includes secure holders for stemware. The high-capacity third rack is ideal for small, deep items, while the removable side caddy accommodates oddly shaped utensils. The oversized flatware basket and knife holder offer versatility for various utensils. However, At this price point, a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel front would be a welcome addition. Overall, JennAir's dishwasher is a standout choice for those seeking both style and performance in their kitchen appliances. Its innovative features and thoughtful design make it a practical and elegant addition to any home. Number 5. Beko 24-inch Dishwasher. Cleaning the dishwasher's filter is crucial but often overlooked. Beko has simplified this task by installing water jets inside the filter well. When selected on the control panel, water blasts up through the filter, flushing out the breath. This, combined with its corner-intense square water spray pattern, helped Beko win a Best Cleaning and Organizing award. In testing, it effortlessly cleaned charred cookware and accommodated a full 110-piece load, plus extra items. The dishwasher is super quiet, with a light indicating its status. The only downside is that the controls require a firm touch, but this becomes easier with practice. Overall, Beko's dishwasher stands out for its innovative approach to filter cleaning and impressive cleaning performance. Its ability to handle large loads and its quiet operation make it a top choice for those looking for a hassle-free dishwashing experience. And there you have it, the top 5 dishwashers for 2024. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end luxury model, there's something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which dishwasher caught your eye, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.